Here's a situation we might need to fix here. We've got a supply pretty close to a return, and that can cause problems if we're just cycling air instead of getting it down in the room. Now, it can be very, very difficult to tell which way air is going when you have a draft. Let's see what that looks like. We can see the airflow direction. Got quite a draft up this way. We got nice cold air there. Got 75 there. 71 here. Alright, here's my supply, and I wish that I had filmed this thing before I rerouted it, but it was wrapped up like over there, pinched across here, pinched across that, and dropped in, I think, in this tile or that tile. And so I got it completely unwound off of all that stuff, so it's making a nice smooth run. I've got another just perforated grill, because even though a lot of this is ducted, it's probably open air plenum situation, and I am gonna be able to suck air up into here, and then I've got one over there. And then as far as, I decided to leave that return right there because I didn't want to, it's just not a easy way to really do that without creating a bunch of kinks or cutting out a section. So I'm gonna see how this does and leave that alone for now. But yeah, just little things that you got to think about when you're installing ductwork and whatnot. Overall, this building has a lot of design issues, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but it should work a lot better now.